Okay, so this one here, right, it says given that G is proportional to H squared. Now when they use that word proportional, it doesn't mean that they equal. It means that as one grows, then another one grows as well. And sometimes they're in proportion, sometimes they're inversely proportional, but they're related to one another, okay? They're not equal, but they grow at a similar sort of rate, okay? Now this could come up in a calculator or non-calculator paper. This one is a non-calculator one. So where it says find an expression for G in terms of H, what you do to start with, you say G is proportional to H squared. And for that, you use this fish symbol, alpha, okay, to show that. And that's what that means in maths, right? That symbol there in maths just means proportional. So G is proportional to H squared. And then they give us numbers. Now you can't do anything with this, okay? We can't work out any information because with an alpha symbol, okay, there's not much maths we can do. So what we do, we'll introduce an equal sign, but in order to do that, we have to bring in this constant k, right, to multiply by this h squared, right? And the reason for that is because, as I said before, they're not equal, but they are in a relationship, okay? As one grows, so does the other. So we can work out what this constant of proportionality is. In other words, we can work out a k here so that we can get them equal to each other. You know, maybe G grows at twice the rate of h squared, so that means then k would be 2. So you'd end up k to be 2, so you'd be 2 times whatever h squared is. Okay, could be. We'll see now. But it says then, given that we've got this, and G equals 1 when h equals 3. Now they're given this, so we can work out what k is if we know this. Okay, so G is 1 equals k times h squared, right? Now h is 3, so that'll be 3 squared. Okay, and then of course this will be 1 equals k times 9. Okay, and then to get k, of course, I can times them by 9. I take the 9 over, and I get 1/9. Okay, 1 divided by 9. Do the opposite of times. And then, to finish off, to get what they want here, you can just say G equals k, right? Now k you worked out to be 1/9 h squared. Okay, so there's my expression there, right? And we can use this then to help us with part B. And in part B then it says find G when h is equal to 2. So when h is equal to 2, we use this. G will equal 1/9 times h is equal to 2, so that'll be 2, and you've got to square it. Okay, so that will be, well, 2 squared is 4, isn't it? So it'll be 4/9. Okay, and that's your answer.